Module 3, Creating Your University Portal. Now this is where we start the actual work. The splendid news, the actually very, very good news indeed, is that you won't have to install any software on your own server or pay for any software to be created for you. There is a web service called Nuvo, that's N-U-V-V-O, www.nuvo.com, which provides all the software that you need absolutely free of charge. When I say free of charge, I mean that if you want to give your modules, your training away for free, then they won't charge you anything. If you want to create a business from this and actually charge people for their education, then Nuvo will take a small fee. It's about 8% from it. But that's absolutely an amazing cost when you consider the amount of software involved to drive this university portal. So let's get going and create our university portal then. So here we are at nuvo.com, N-U-V-V-O. Very clean, simple, and I was going to say very nice. Nice is not a good word. A pleasing site, a very pleasant site to be on. So let's create our online university here. We'll click on Try It Out. It's easy. First of all, we tell them about ourselves. My name is Leonard. My last name is Payne. And the email address I'm going to give here is Skills University, you see, at gmail.com, my Google Mail. I'll put it in a second time, skillsu at gmail.com. Next thing we do is to choose our site title. I'm going to put Skills U again, which is great, and the web address. Now you'll notice, just as I scroll down here a little bit, it's always .learnhub next, so I'm going to have skillsu.learnhubnet. You might want to read the service agreement. Open a new window there. Have a quick look at their service agreement and make sure that they're not taking away your granny. It's actually a PDF, so I'm not going to read that now. Normally there's nothing to worry about, but if you want to read the small print, perhaps you should do so. Oh, well, there you go, readers coming up. We'll have a quick scan through this. There's always so much stuff there. Suffice to say that there are terms and conditions, and you would be well advised to read them. Let's go back. Yes, I've read and agreed, and I'm going to sign up. Let's just wait for that to do its job. And it says that my sign up was a rousing success. There you go. And my password and instructions have been sent to skillsu at gmail.com. And then I'm going to be able to sign on here at skillsu LearnHubNet. Let's open up a new window and go and pick up my mail. So here I am at Google Mail, Gmail. Skillsu, if you remember. And I'm going to sign in there. Let's just wait and see what it has to say. Loads up my mail. Junk in there, but you never know. We could be very lucky. And here we are from Nuvo. Do not respond. It says you have created a new learning portal. Let's let's click on this here and see what it has to say. And here's the email here. We've created a new e-learning portal with some information of frequently asked questions, etc., etc. Here is my password here, which I'm just going to file or edit. Sorry, copy that. Copy the password, and I'm going to log on here. skillsulearnhub.net. Wait for this to come up. And here we are. My email, of course, is skillsu@gmail.com. And my password, I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to do, that was a Control V I did there. Sign in. Oh, it says incorrect. Let me just go back there for a moment. Well, I just checked that, so let's IAYSX, and I'll change that U. This could be case sensitive. I like the uppercase U when I'm advertising it, but may not be so here. So we'll sign in here, see what happens. Yeah, so there we go. We're there. First thing I want to do is to change that password, because I shall never ever remember that. Gives me the opportunity for a Skype name as well, so we can talk to our end users. Let's click on password here. Old password. New password is and change the password. And that's it. We are successfully set up. I think that's a nice name, SkillsU, and I also have a website for that as well. Always try to tie in a website with this as well. You could find that very handy and useful for back-end sales. So there we go. We've set up our online university, or our learning portal, depending upon what you want to name it. And we're next going to move on to module 4, which is going to be creating and building our first course.